Hey friends, today we are going to do an unboxing and brain injury. I just got an order from Sephora and I have a couple of brain injury updates that I'd like to share with you. Well, really just one main one. As you may know, I am a member of the Brain Injury Association of America's Advisory Council, and periodically the Brain Injury Association of America sends out email updates with not only things that are going on at the national level with brain injury, but also at the state level. And one of the things that's really cool that is going on in New Jersey right now is that there is a proposed bill that would allow people who have brain injuries to be able to indicate that on their driver's license or on their IDs for law enforcement and first responders. This would be a really excellent idea because it would allow individuals who are coming into contact with people with brain injury to understand that that is the condition that they have, and that they're not being, for instance, if it's law enforcement, that they're not being non-compliant, they're not intoxicated, if they're taking longer to respond or whatever the case may be, that it's a symptom of the brain injury that they have. And so it may just take them a little more time to understand or to respond, but that's the nature of the beast when you have a brain injury. I think this would be a really great thing to have for all the states, and along with that indication on the license, it would also provide some information basically on a database to show a little more detail about what is going on with that person specifically. So it would be a really great thing that all the states should adopt. I would love it if Arizona did something like that. Ooh, that's so pretty. This is the Armani liquid eyeshadow that I just picked up, and I'm really excited to try this. And it also came with we're having at Sephora a promotion where you can get a free Dior mini lipstick, so I had to jump on that. I have one of their liquid lipsticks, but I have not yet tried the regular lipsticks. Oh, that's a pretty color. Let's do a little swatcheroonie of that one too. Oh, that's pretty. Different. We'll see how that looks on. So that is the update that I wanted to share with you. I'm also going to be traveling soon to Austin, Texas to do a speaking engagement at the special event. And I'm going to be speaking about unleashing the power of inclusive events, basically sharing about how having events that are inclusive for people with disabilities is not only the right thing to do, but also how it could be a benefit to your business. And that's why I got this to take with me. Cleansing wipes, and they're in a nice small travel size, so I'm happy to have that with me. And then the other samples that I got were the Bare Minerals Bare Pro Foundation. Excited to give that a try. And then a little mini size of the Viktor and Rolf Flower Bomb Ruby Orchid Perfume. I'm kind of obsessed with travel sizes. I love to just have little small things that you can stick in your purse, in your carry-on, whatever the case may be, and just have those with you. Plus, they're just so cute. I love cute small things, maybe because I'm very small myself. Very short, I should say. So those are the updates that I wanted to share with you. That exciting bill that's going on in New Jersey that I hope will not only get passed there in New Jersey, but for all of the states for brain injury survivors, and maybe it could be something that could be expanded for other disabilities as well. And then just to show you the cool stuff that I got from Sephora that I'm excited to try out. So I hope that you guys are having a wonderful, blessed day, and I look forward to talking more with you soon.